Hi everyone, welcome to my video beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay, and in this video I'm going to show you the little tiny haul that I made at Inglot. I don't know how you say that, but I don't know if you pronounce the T or it's silent. So if you know, tell me under the video. So they had in the Boxing Day a really nice deals because they had, I think, 25% off, and if you purchased $65 and more, you had one gift. You had the Duralin free, and then if you buy for 85 and more, you had a second item free, and then if you purchase $100 and more, you had a third item free. And of course I couldn't pass that deal, so I made a little order. I just made sure that I had $100 and my order were $103 so that I can have three gifts. So of course, if you know me, I love this palette here. It's the Freedom System palette, and this is the 40 empty square. So I put inside all of my Makeup Forever and Inglot Free System eyeshadow singles. So I purchased that because both of my palettes are full, and the second one I just have like 6 empty squares, but with what I got it will be full, so I'll be good for this one here. So let me show you what I got. So I purchased singles eyeshadow so that I can of course achieve. So this is the number 329, and they were also in special discount, and I had another discount on top, and this is the number 326, and this one here is the number 360. This one is 378. This one is 355, and this one is 351. And why I purchase all like this kind of nude colors, because I want to make like a one big palette, like pretty much neutral color. So this is why I will be able to put all of my neutral colors in one of the huge palette that I have. And the second item that I purchased is this item here. It's the Body Art adhesive, this one here, but it is so tiny. I paid $10 for this. I wasn't expecting that small, and that was it. Just that, I was already at $103. I have my receipt here. I will tell you the amount. I had $103.01, and with the tax it was $108 for all of that. And like I said, I had the Duralin free, this one here. This is the box, and then I had this is the Inglot Freedom. Let me just it's the Freedom Highlight Trio. This one here, it's the number 103, and I have 102 if I remember correctly, or 101, and that was free. It was $18, and the Duralin value is $20. And the third item that I got, it's multicolor bronzing powder. It's AMC. It means advanced makeup component. This one here, let me just open so that you don't have the glare. This is the bronzer. I think it will match me, and this was $32. So I made a purchase of $103.01, and I received $70 of product free. So that's a nice purchase. That's a nice purchase. So it's kind of just cost me like $30. So this was a good purchase. So I just want to share. Every time I make an order at Inglot is when they have like nice sales especially when I need a palette. I will make sure that I throw a palette, and then I buy some singles. And I'm kind of trying to get colors that I don't have, or makeup forever don't have, so that I can pretty much have a nice color range. And I will make a video, if you want, on those palettes that I made, and I'm really proud. And they are professional products, so I purchased them when I was in aesthetic school. So I will wrap this video up so it doesn't end up being really long. So thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.